Hello everyone. Microsoft introduced Windows 11 with advanced features to simplify the user experience, and most users are pleased with it. But few others are not satisfied with the recent weird issue of a floating transport box hovering over the taskbar and became an annoyance for them. After experiencing this problem, we noticed that those suffered users are searching online for a solution. This video will show you how to fix annoying transparent box above taskbar in Windows 11. Method 1. Disable task view. Firstly, open Settings on your Windows 11 and select Personalization from the left pane menu. Then select the Taskbar option from the right pane menu. On the next window, toggle off beside the option Task View option. Finally, restart the system and check the said issue is still disturbing you or not. Method 2. Restart Windows Explorer service. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. Inside the Task Manager, select the Processes tab and scroll down to select Windows Explorer service. Then right-click over it and select the Restart option from the drop-down menu. Finally, restart the system and see the progress.